Hello everyone, so today we have this type of equation. So some might start doing the subtraction first, so they have -2, then they might try to do this entire expression, so they know that they have here multiplication, they might try to do this entire expression, but they get stuck here. Okay, so what is the correct way to do this type of equation? First, to solve this type of equation, one must remember the order of operation rule, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, and we need to do it in the first place. Then E stands for exponents. We do it in a second place. Multiplication and division, they have equal priority, and they are done in the third place, and they are done from left to right. And in the fourth place is addition or subtraction. So, if solving this equation, we must do first what's inside the parentheses. But this looks over difficult, especially if you don't have a calculator. What's important here, I don't know if you notice, the second the exponents, we have here 0. So if you know any number at the power of 0, so let's say you have 7 at 0 or 8 0, or I don't know, a plus b plus c, you don't know even these numbers. Power of 0 equals to 1. So any number at the power of 0 equals to 1. So in this case here, actually, we don't need even to do this what's inside the parentheses and spend time, because why? We have 0, so we know that whatever is here, it's at the power of 0. Therefore, what we have is 8 minus 10 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 1. Correct? Correct, because this is 0. Now, what we have here, we have multiplication and we have addition and subtraction. What we should not do first subtraction. Why? Because we know that multiplication and division have higher priority over addition and subtraction. Therefore, we do multiplication first. So what we get is 8 minus, so 10 multiplied by 5 is 50. And we get the answer minus 42. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.